What's up, guys? Gonna do a quick walk around of the Evo 3 before I tear it down for its winter rebuild. So yeah, let's check it out. So everything's pretty steer wise. It's all stock Evo 3. As you can see, done in the Moonrock metallic, but it really looks like it's Evo gray. And pretty soon these guys will be turned into 5-lug, and I'll be running some Work of Motion CR Kai's wheels, so I'll do a whole build on that. Definitely, and gonna do a rear Willwood upgrade, so stay tuned for that. I have a lot of plans for this thing, so it's gonna be pretty dope. So up front, I have the Willwood 4-pot super light. Gonna do a Willwood 4-pot, the smaller 4-pot, I forgot what it's called. Running Hankook RS3s. And somebody scratched the F out of my bumper and decided not to tell me about it, which is super awesome. Best part about this kit, stock kit, retrofit as well. So I'm running a rebuilt 4G63 ARP head studs, chromatic head gasket, and GSC S1 cams with an FP green turbo.
searching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? So that I counting days until the second call. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around to start the top of yours. It's all you need to do.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a fall angel just walked by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. Now there goes a sight from my soul. So, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. So, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. So, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. So, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. So, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. So, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. So, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. So, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. So, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. So, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. So, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. So, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. So, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. So, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. So, there goes a sight. Now there go
If you made it to the end, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this car build series.